out, raised a little country cane. You think it's a crime to live my life the way my daddy did, but if you come around to burn us down when the smoke clears you can bed, there'll be still one outlaw left. I got kin folks from Kentucky, the sweet home Alabama. I get loud and rowdy, that's all you need to know about me right now. I'm just a reckless renegade, doing what I do best, and there's still one outlaw left.
I stared down the sawed-off. Mister, call your dogs off, acting like Billy the Kid. I rode a hog in the hard rain, trying to catch a fast train. The dogs couldn't catch me, but the devil sure did. I got me a wild sob just about a mile wide, son of a shotgun in the shack. And then